Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll walk you through a day in my first trimester which also covers what I eat in a day. My office shift starts at 6:30 in the morning and ends at 3:30 pm. Waking up so early is difficult, but this morning shift gives me a lot of free time in the evening, so I kind of like it. Now coming to my routine, doctor advised me not to work out rigorously during first trimester as chances of miscarriages are more. So no morning workouts. I meditated for a while, then I got ready and prepared my breakfast. I prepared batter for ragi dosa. It's very easy. Just mix ragi powder with buttermilk or water. Add onion, chilies, tomato, salt, and coriander. You can eat this dosa as is or with any chutney. Ragi is very good, packed with calcium and vitamin D. Definitely include it in your diet. Ragi dosa, ragi malt, ragi roti, or in any other form. Then I started to office in my office cab. My office is hardly 10 minutes from my home. There is no traffic as it's pretty early in the day, so I enjoyed my ride in cool breeze. After reaching office, I thought I'll relax for a while before starting the work. And this is my first pregnancy. So coming to my experience with first trimester so far, I've got nausea. I wouldn't puke, but that constant feeling of wanting to puke is horrible. I've lost about 4 kgs due to nausea, but doctor told that's okay, I shouldn't worry, and I can regain that weight in next trimesters. So cool. Then I relaxed for a while and started my work. After a couple of hours, I ate snacks that I got from home: dry fruits, energy bar, and Yakult. Yakult is a very good probiotic. Take Yakult or yogurt or any probiotic. It helps in reducing heartburn and acidity. It improves bowel movements and immunity. It reduces the risk of gestational diabetes and preeclampsia, that is high blood pressure. Around 1 pm, I had my lunch. I ate mixed paratha, that is one gobi paratha and one aloo paratha, along with curd. Morning, I did not have time to cook lunch, so I ate it from the office cafeteria. My office cafeteria is pretty neat with open kitchen, so we can be sure of hygiene and cleanliness. I reduced outside food intake a lot after I conceived, but sometimes it can't be avoided, right? So then after work, I was home by 3:45 p.m. I felt very drowsy, but I did not sleep because again I'll have difficulty sleeping in the night. So I read a book and had evening snacks. I eat a lot of fruits. Orange is my favorite fruit. Citrus fruits reduce nausea and also help in boosting immunity. One medium sized orange will give you complete daily dose of vitamin C. And I swear by coconut water. I drink it every day. No need to speak about coconut water benefits. I think it's everyone's favorite. Then I painted for some time. Not sure if it's true, but they say baby develops habits based on what all a mother does during pregnancy. So I reduced watching TV, movies, shows. I started doing creative things, so baby also gets some creativity. Here I'm painting a starry night sky. Now coming to supplements for first trimester, my doctor suggested I only take folic acid, but again follow your doctor's suggestions and have balanced meals. 7 pm is my dinner time during this morning shift. I've prepared egg burji. My husband, he had some site work and visited my mom. My mom has sent palak dal and chamagedda fry. Chamagedda is colocasia. How fortunate are we when someone sends us food? And make sure your meal includes everything: protein, carbohydrates, calcium, iron, vitamins, probiotic. Also, do not overeat. They keep saying pregnant women should eat for 2 people, but that's not at all true. In the first trimester, your baby only needs 100 calories, so plan and eat accordingly. If you eat unnecessarily and gain unwanted weight, there would be other complications. You would have cravings, but try to minimize junk. Having it once in a while is okay. Around 8:30 pm, I went for a walk. I walk every day post dinner. It's very good for digestion and also keeps you light and active. Before hitting bed around 9:30 pm, I ate fruits. Doctor asked me not to eat pineapple and papaya. She told ripe papaya is okay, but it's better to avoid. So I usually eat all other fruits. And that's it for today. Hope this video gave you all an idea of my first trimester routine and diet. Comment below if you have any queries and I'll get back. Please subscribe to my channel. Tata, take care.